I have this really good looking 2012 Toyota Tacoma, but it has been modified, like slightly facelifted to look like the 2016. I'm here to tell you how much it will cost you to own and maintain this car in Nigeria. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. To get this modified headlights will cost you about 500k for a pair, but if you want the regular 2012 headlights, that one is about 150,000 naira for a pair. The grille is about 120k, but this particular grille is a modified type, so this is about 300,000 naira. The full front bumper on this car is going to cost you about 300,000 naira. And yeah, let's come to the tires, the suspensions. If you are trying to get tires for this car, Tacoma tires will cost you about 40 to 50k each, and brand new tires will cost you about 220k each. Brake pads on this car is like 25k. The brake disc, a pair of brake discs is like 70k. The suspension is about 65,000 naira for a pair for the front. For the rear, about 40,000 naira for a pair. The side mirror on this car is about 120,000 naira for a pair. The fender alone is going to cost you 120k for a pair. Yes, the front door of this thing, this front door is 120,000 naira. I don't know why it's that expensive, but yeah, this front door is 120,000 naira. So be careful if you have this car. These are modified tail lights. This tail light is about 300,000 naira for a pair, but the regular one is about 120,000 naira. Then this door you see is 250k for this door, 250k for the door. The back bumper is about 200,000 naira. The owner of this car made me understand why they say maintenance is everything. I started it and there was no check engine light on, no aero light at all on the dashboard. Impressive. Now let's go to the engine component. This car uses a 2TR FE engine, a smaller V6 engine. So this is a 2TR V6 engine. This engine costs 4.5 million naira. You can see the hydraulic brake booster. This one costs about 65k. On the other side, you can see an ABS machine. The ABS machine there is about 200,000 naira to replace. AC compressor on this car, about 200,000 naira. To service it, it uses a V6 engine, so roughly 90k if you are using a premium oil. Oil filter, another 6k, 10,000 naira. The radiator on this car is about 120,000 naira. So the maintenance is not high. It is a regular Toyota maintenance. Toyota parts are not cheap, but they are affordable. Like, they are not cheap, but they are affordable, and they last very long if you buy the authentic ones. Finally, to buy this car in Nigeria today, Tacoma ranges from 21 to 26 million naira, depending on how clean it is, because this is the second gen Toyota Tacoma. While a used one is going to range between 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 million naira for a clean used one. And one that isn't clean, you can see below 8 million naira, maybe say 6 to 8 million naira. So that is all. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. If you are considering buying the Toyota Tacoma, it's a very reliable truck. If you need utility every day in your life, like, you can just come and see this. Like, this is utility. You can put whatever you want to put in the back, and you actually still have regular seats, although they're a bit cramped, but you have regular seats. Yeah, so you can see seats about 3 people, 1, 2, 3 in your Tacoma. So that is all. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. If you want more personal tips about your car, just join our WhatsApp community using the link in the bio. Also make sure to visit our website today, www.234drive.com. See you next time.